Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we will be answering and discussing about the operations and radicals. Okay, now I have note here saying that radicals are said to be similar if they have the same index and radicand. Okay, so we could say that they are the same or similar sila if they have the same index and radicand. And also, it is said that similar radicals can be combined. Only similar radicals can be combined. Okay. Okay. When we combine, it is just a manner similar to the procedure of combining like or similar terms. No, it's just the same on how we combine similar terms. Okay, we can combine if they are similar or pareha. Okay, so let us consider our illustrations here. Illustration number 1. We have here square root of 2 and square root of 3. Now, I would ask you, are they similar? Yes or no? Similar ba ang number 1? Similar ba siya? Okay. Pareho silang square root. But look at the radicand. You have 2 and 3. So, hindi sila pareha, no? Nakuha nyo? They have the same index, which is 2, but different radical. So, not similar sila. Okay. About number 2. Let us just first, our illustrations here, 1, 2, 3, is for you to identify if they are similar. So that in our next example here, we need to combine or add or subtract radicals. So we can only add or subtract radicals if they are similar. Okay, number 2, how about number 2? You have 2 square root of x and the cube root of x. Okay, now as you can see, they have the same radicand, which is x, but different indices rather, no? So not similar because here cube yung root niya, index niya dito 2 lang kasi 2 square root of x. So not similar pa rin. Okay, how about number 3? 2 square root of x and square root of x. Are they similar? Try to observe. Yes, they are similar. Because this is 2 square root of x and this is square root of x. Without looking at the numerical coefficient 2, pareho lang sila. No, they have the same indices, which is 2, and they have the same radicand, which is x. So take note, you can subtract, you can combine radicals if they are just the same. If only they are the same. Okay? So, I will give you an example to that. Okay. 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 For example, we have number 1. The instruction is we need to combine the following radicals. Okay, number 1, 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2. So what is the answer? Take note, it is just a manner similar on how we combine like or similar terms in the previous topic. Okay, so let's answer this. You have 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2. So here we could add 3 plus 1. So you have now 4 square root of 2. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So your answer is negative 2. You just copy square root of 2. Okay? Why? Because 3 plus 1 here is 4 square root of 2. Then minus 6 square root of 2. Correct? So 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Then you just copy square root of 2. Nakuha nyo, guys? Kung hindi nyo nakuha, ay dapat lang kunin ninyo. Okay, joke. Okay, questions. Wala kayong questions dyan? Nakuha nyo na agad? Class? Okay, another example to that. You have square root of 80 minus square root of 5 minus square root of 20. Okay, how can we combine number 2? Okay, now as you observe, class, ito yung pinakamaliit, square root of 5. So meaning, dapat hanapan natin ng factor si 80 ng 5 at saka si 20 ng 5 para magiging magkapareho sila. Nakuha nyo ang punto? Ito yung pinakamaliit na radical, square root of 5. So dapat makakuha tayo dito ng square root of 5, makakuha tayo dito ng square root of 5. Did you get my point? Class? Nakuha niyo ang punto ko? Magkuha lang kayo ng dapat may square root of 5 dito para magiging common yan sila. No? Nakuha niyo ba ako, class? Sige. Ito ang mangyayari dito. Si 80, square root of 80 can be factor. We can get the factors of 80 by 5 times 16. Correct? 6 times 5, 30. Then, copy lang, square root of 5. Then, si 20 is square root of 5 times 4. Am I correct? Okay, excuse sa halaman ko. Okay. So, as you observe, makikita na natin na magiging similar sila because of the square root of 5. So, ipagpapatuloy natin yan dito. Okay, so you have now square root of 16 times square root of 5 according to the law of radicals minus square root of 5 minus square root of 4 times square root of 5. Ito, class, according to the laws, if you will multiply square root of 16 times square root of 5, that is just simply equivalent to square root of 80. Okay, so we simplify further. No, we have, what is the square root of 16? We can directly get the square root of 16, which is 4. So 4, you just copy square root of 5. Minus, copy square root of 5. Minus, we can get the square root of 4, which is 2. So you just copy 2, you write 2, then copy square root of 5. Okay, from here, we could say that they are similar radicals. Okay, so we combine. We have 4 minus 1 here is 3. 3 minus 2, you have 1. So the answer would be square root of 5. That's it. Simple lang, ano? Just always take note, that you can only combine radicals if they are, what? Similar. Okay? Then you will look for certain factors of the radical so that makita natin yung magkakaparehong radicals na yan. Okay? Okay, now let's move on to another problem here. Okay, let's continue this. Or ano ba? Okay, another example to this in combining radicals para ano, mag-i-enjoy kayo. Example number 3, you have the cube root of 128x plus the cube root of 2x plus the cube root of 16x. Yan. How to combine? Okay. Paano natin i-combine yan? Now, as you observe, ito yung cube root of 2x, yung pinakamaliit na radical dyan. So, ibig sabihin, may posibilidad, asan na ba yun? May posibilidad na dapat yung common nila dito is cube root of 2x. So, ano ba ang gagawin natin? Hahanapin natin ng factor si 128 at siya 16 ng may 2. Okay? So, ano ang mangyayari dyan? Ha? Ano ang mangyayari dyan? So, ang mangyayari dyan, ito, dapat makukuha natin yung factors niya na by 2. So, that is, ano ba to? 114 times 2x plus the cube root of 2x plus the cube root of 8 times 2x. No? Kasi 8 times 2, I'm sorry. 8 times 2 is 16. 114 times 2, ay, tama ba ako? No, it's not 114. 8 to 200 na. So, ano ba ang ano natin sa 28? 128. You have 64. 64 times 2. 4 times 2, 12. 8. 6 and 2 is 12. Okay. Yan na yung mga factors niyan. So, what are we going to do here? We separate that. This is the cube root of 64 times the cube root of 2x plus the cube root of 2x plus the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 2x. So, dito, makikita mo na similar na sila, no? Kasi magkapareho silang cube root of 2x, cube root of 2x times cube root of 2x. So, pag magpapatuloy tayo, what is the cube root of 64? That is 4. Then, you copy cube root of 2x. Plus, you just copy here, the second term, which is cube root of 2x. Plus, dito, what is the cube root of 8? That is 2 times the cube root of 2x. Okay? So, klarong-klaro na magkapareho silang radicals. So, ang gagawin lang natin is i-combine lang natin. So, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So, your final answer would be 7 cube root of 2x. That's it. 7 cube root. Hindi maklaro yung 3. 7 cube root of 2x. Okay. That's all for the addition and subtraction of radicals. Okay. Next po is on how to simplify radicals. Thank you for watching. I hope you will. Don't forget to like and share it to your friends. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Omongos. Salamat po!